How to download Digit app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now on the top at the search bar, simply search for Digit app insurance. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it again. You can verify it by seeing this logo and verify it by seeing the company's name, Digit Insurance. Now simply tap on install. So what is this application? So it is a financer application where you can know about your finance and there are even insurance involved. So it will take some time, and as you can see, it's getting installed in your mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.